Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to install a new PHP version in Plesk. Updating your PHP version is important to ensure your websites are secure, optimized for performance, and compatible with the latest features. We'll be starting from the My Products page in your GoDaddy account. Scroll down, select Servers, and then select Manage for the server you want to use. In your server dashboard, select Launch Plesk. In Plesk, select Tools and Settings. Under Plesk, select Updates. And then select Add Remove Components. Select the plus next to Web Hosting, and then select the plus next to PHP Interpreter Versions. You'll see the available PHP versions you can install. If you don't see the latest PHP version listed, you may need to update Plesk to the latest version. Select the drop-down arrow next to your desired PHP version, select Install, and then select Continue. An operation log will run while the installation is in progress. When the PHP installation is complete, you'll see a success message. Then select OK. That's how you install a new PHP version in Plesk. I'm Emily, thanks for watching.